Travel in Tyler style. We're at the Newark International Airport and we're in Terminal B. And today we're gonna try to find out, is Terminal B the worst terminal in the United States? Yeah, you said it. You agree? That's right, see? See, that guy agreed with me. Let's find out why. Terminal B was built in 1973. Worst terminal in the US, it feels like to me. Newark has a solid Terminal A and C, but Terminal B needs to be renovated immediately. There is a $200 million plan to update it finally. It's time to do something to it financially. When you walk around, it's almost creepy. Floors creaking when they're not leaking. The whole damn terminal is stinking. Not trying to hate, there are some good parts. There is a food court, some bars and restaurants not too far apart, but overall it's like a smelly fart. It does have some potential, I suppose, but overall this terminal blows. If you've been there before, then you already know. I might be exaggerating slightly though, trying to get my point across in case someday you have to go. People like, you really doing a rap about a terminal, bro? Welcome to the Travel in Tyler Style Show. The funny thing is, Newark's actually a modern airport. Terminal A was recently renovated. Terminal C, recently renovated. Terminal B, not so much. They're like, we'll figure that one out later. I mean, it really is like being in a dungeon. The Lufthansa lounge is here, that's really nice. But outside of that, it's a mess. I started second guessing myself and I was like, maybe I'm being too hard on Terminal B at Newark. Maybe it's not the worst terminal in the United States, because it does have some good things. The Lufthansa lounge is very nice. They have an SAS lounge, it's decent. Bunch of restaurants, bars, shopping. So I was like, maybe I'm being too hard on Terminal B. I went to Google, typed in what is considered the worst terminal in the United States, and sure enough, ding ding ding, Terminal B at Newark International Airport. I was right. It just has a horrible vibe. Big crowds, long lines, everybody walking around with frowns on their faces like they don't want to be there. It's the only way I can explain it. I mean, I'm sure there's worse terminals in the United States that don't have anything they can offer. There's some terminals that it's hard to even get a bottle of water. So I'm taking that into consideration, but I'm basing this on what Terminal B should be. It should be nice. Newark is a huge international airport. For whatever reason, they haven't got around to renovating it. I actually don't think I'm really doing this terminal justice on how bad it really is. It looks like my camera is probably a little fuzzy. That's not my camera. That's the lighting. I'm an airport junkie. This is who I am. This is what I do. I'm a 1K million miler with United Airlines. Because of that, I'm flying through Newark all the time. It's a hub for United. If I have a flight at 8 p.m., I try to get to the airport at least 8 hours before my flight to try to take advantage of the airport. And this was no different. I had a designed 8-hour layover, because that's what I do best. And I decided to take a shuttle bus over to Terminal B just to go to the Lufthansa lounge. When I got there, the shuttle bus dropped me off. I walked up the stairs that you take, and it felt like I was in a 1970s movie or something. It felt like somebody was going to jump out with a chainsaw at any moment. And as I walked out into the terminal, I was like, I'm going to do a video on this being the worst terminal in the United States. It hit me in the moment. This was not a planned video. Very authentic. But as you can see, there are some highlights. This is the food court. We got a Starbucks. I've never tried any of these restaurants, but at least there is a place to eat. A lot of terminals don't have that, and I'll give credit where credit's due. Never tried any of the restaurants, can't vouch for any of them. But I'm sure it's decent. But I'm just basing this on my instincts, how I feel. Everybody looks like zombies when they're walking around. So is Terminal B in Newark the worst terminal in the United States? Yes. This is what I got. Travel and Tyler style. Subscribe to my channel. I got a lot of videos coming. This is what I do. I'm a traveler. Till next time, I'm out.